Hello. Sorry for the shock. We were getting ready to go make our own chocolate bar. I had to wear the beard one because, I have a glorious beard. And as much as, people enjoy the beard, I don't think they want to enjoy eating the beard. So, there we go.
All right, there you guys ready? There you go.
And then we got our tickets back.
Go in there. You guys are going to enter your first and last name, okay?
First and last name, yep.
Design your bar and follow the steps and you guys should be good, okay?
Okay, cool.
And you guys should be good. Throughout the whole thing, you need your tickets. Just remember, outside here, you guys can do what you want. But in here, the name's got to be appropriate, all right? Just to let you know, okay?
Okay.
You guys can do it, and then you guys can design your bar, all right?
All right, cool.
Yeah, I'll go.
Let's go. Design our own bar. Okay, scan your ticket below. Okay, enter your first name. Okay, proceed to the next station. Which?
Straight ahead, design your chocolate bar.
Right in here? All right, I will wait for the little lady. Okay, little lady is ready. Now we're headed to design our chocolate bar. So we go here, I guess. I am. All right, here we go. So what are you going to do? Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or white chocolate? So we going to eat yours then? Or are you going to eat yours? I guess Mom, because I wasn't sure which one Mom would like. I'm going to do milk chocolate. Okay, next. All right, what do I want in? I get to do up to 3. So I kind of want it to be a little crunchy. So I'm going to do that. Let's do some butterscotch chips. And then let's do some toffee. Bam. Any candy milk bars will be enrobed in milk chocolate. All right, cool. There we go. Do I want sprinkles? Well, I mean, if you're going to offer me them, yes, I would. I would love sprinkles. Not normally, though, but I'm going to take them. This is my candy bar right here. Bam. Tap next. I no longer can make changes. And that is it. There we go. All right. You already done with yours? I guess that'll be a surprise what's in yours. And then we go right into the factory line. Here we go. Bum-ba-da-bum. Hello. How are you? I'm doing okay. Okay, cool. All right, we're heading on through the queue. It's kind of neat. Smells good in here. And here they are.
Tickets?
Yes, ma'am. There you go.
Ready for this heavy action?
I'm ready.
All right. Scan the ticket.
Boop.
Pull your lever down. Your name's going to appear on that board up there.
This
and
one?
then your chocolate will start down below.
All right. Start right here? Okay, it's going to start right here. Oh, okay, I see them. I thought they were bigger. I thought the chocolate bars were a little bigger than that. I thought the chocolate bars were a little bit bigger than that, but they're not. They're just Ickle Pickle bars. So I think we paid like $20 for this. $20, $30? Yeah, each. All right, here we go. Toffee bits. Vanilla chips. So it's just going to go through here and it's going to drop as we go.
We're going to have to like fast forward this a little bit.
Nah, we'll let them watch in full time. If they want to fast forward, y'all can fast forward it. All right, we are going now. Okay, there's my toffee. All right, let's see what she got. Did she get toffee? Comment down below. You think she got toffee? Uh-oh. We stopped again. Okay, no, wait. She got toffee on hers, too. There we go. All right.
Dark chocolate.
All right, vanilla chips. Let's see. I think she got vanilla chips. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You think she got vanilla? And, uh-oh, it stopped. I think it's loading up. Oh, we were wrong. No vanilla. Pretzel bits. Okay, let's see. Who got pretzel bits? Did I get pretzel bits? You guys already know. But did she get pretzel bits? Give me my pretzel bits. I didn't get none on the first bite.
Maybe they'll shake it.
Maybe. All right, let's see if she got pretzel bits. Comment down below if she got pretzel bits. She got pretzel bits. There we go.
I got some at the beginning of mine, the first bite.
I think she literally got she damn near got the same thing. I think she got the semi-sweet chocolate. I think she got this because she likes semi-sweet. Like maybe I can hit the glass and knock some semi-sweet in there. All right, let's see if I'm correct. If I'm correct, you guys got to hit that like button. You got to hit the subscribe button if I'm incorrect. Oh, I'm incorrect. She didn't get the semi-sweet. Chocolate cookie bits. I don't remember seeing that one on there. Maybe I wasn't paying attention. So I don't think she would have got butterscotch, but maybe she did. Let's see. Let's see if she got chocolate cookie bits. Uh-oh, it stopped. I think it's loading. And there it goes, chocolate cookie bits. All right, there's hers. She got pretzel, Heath, and chocolate cookie bits, which means here comes my last one of butterscotch. And there we go. There's my butterscotch. Boom, and we know hers doesn't have butterscotch. Probably would have went faster if we were the only ones on the conveyor. Now we got a line behind us. We got a line of chocolate bars back there. Here we go. Is it gonna stop or keep? Okay, yours stopped. Mine's getting its chocolate bath first. There we go. All right, here it comes. It's gonna get its chocolatey bath. Looks so nice, actually, like the way the chocolate's coming down. And there it is, it emerged. Bam. All right, and we're gonna vibrate it down to make it flat, as flat as we can, I guess. And there's hers. All right, so that's vibrating down to try to make it as flat as possible. I think all of them get a milk chocolate cap though, so even if you got dark chocolate or vanilla, it's still gonna get a milk chocolate cap on it.
And this machine has its own hat.
I think this is the sprinkles machine.
Yeah, the sprinkler.
Is that what it says? Oh, right here. Let's see if she got sprinkles. Comment down below right now if you think she got sprinklers. Sprinkles, not sprinklers. Sprinkles. All right, here we go. Now let's go down here. Mine's gonna come out, and let's see if you guys are right. We'll give you a few minutes to see if you guys are correct or not. If she got sprinkles on hers. Okay, hers should be coming out in a minute. And let's see if you guys were correct. And she got sprinkles. There you go. How many of you were correct? All right, so now it goes through here. I guess this is a hardening process, maybe? The cooling tunnel. There we go. All right, there it is, coming out. All right, let's go design our package. Let's go design our label. All right, that's not working. Let's go over to this side and do it. All right, there we go. Yes, I would like to design my label. Let's see. I like, custom design, okay. All right, let's do something kind of weird. Done. Yes. No, thank you. Okay. All right, there we go. The bar display area. Okay, so this is where it gets in. This is where it gets put into the cartons. So I'm guessing that one's mine, that one's hers. Huh?
Looks like everyone.
I mean, yeah, why not? They're there. What kind of design did you make? I think mine's probably going to be better. So when we show these, we're going to have you guys comment down below who you think's is better, mine or hers. All right, so we made our chocolate bar, and then here's mine right here. Bam. There we go. I just put some random stuff on there. I could have put 12 things on there, but I was like, I don't want to spend all day because I thought I needed to hurry up, but I didn't because it was a backlog. And then here is the little ladies. Share the sweetness. She's a try-hard. She actually tried hard to do hers. It looks nice. It looks nice, though. I like it. It looks nice. But we're going to go ahead and say whose is better, mine or hers. There you go. Leave a comment down below whose you think is better. Mine or hers. Okay, so we're not going to eat these here. We might take a bite of them later, and then we'll judge the chocolate, and then that's pretty much going to be this. That is going to be the end of this video. So we're going to cut to us trying the chocolate.